welcome back to my channel. It's Sumayyah Nasser. Today's look is with pink and purple eyeshadow, simple lip gloss, foundation, all that. I don't want to talk too much. Let's get into this. Alright, so next we're going to use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to be using this yellow shade as my transition color. This one. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids because that is going to act as the transition to the pink that I'm going to be using. Now we're going to go into my Messy Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using this pink shade right here. It's like a hot pink shade, and that is just going to go all over the eyelid on top of that yellow, and it should hold really well because of the yellow. Next, I'm going to use this dark purple right here. That one up right here. This dark purple right here, right on the corners of my eyelid. So I'm just going to put it. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Peaches and Cream eyeshadow primer to see if I can carve out something on my eyelid. Oh, shit. Just gonna cover up that corner with just a light amount of that purple that we used. Okay, so the shade we're putting on top of the crease that we just cut is from Peaches and Cream. It's a loose eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Show Me Love. I'm just gonna put that right on top of the cut crease that I just did. Alright, so now I want to draw some wings, and I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black liquid liner. crease for no reason because I covered it up with liquid liner. But it's fine because we didn't need it anyway. Moving on. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the face. And for primer, I like to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. It's the bomb. And I'm just gonna put it everywhere. All over my face, like lotion. Next, we're just going to take some liquid highlight, and this is from Iconic London in the shade Rosy, I think, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that all over my face to go under my foundation, and that's just going to make it shiny a little bit more. Not shiny a little bit more, it's just going to make it, let me shake this first. Why is it almost done? It's just going to make it glow a little bit from underneath. It's almost finished. I didn't even use it that much. It probably wasn't even me that used it. Because I have a bunch of sisters in this house, and we all do makeup, and somehow someone's always using my stuff. No one ever knows who it is. Reach the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see. You can't. It's blurry. But it's all the way down here, and I can't get it up. No matter how hard I'm trying. You know what? Let me use a brush. So I'm going to use this brush. See if I can dig some out. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Morphe M462 brush to blend this all out. Alright, so now I'm going to be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and this is in the shade Camel, and I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to go over it with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. It's a damp beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my NYX HD Studio concealer because I don't know where the hell my LA Girl Pro Concealer went that I just bought. So using some of this today. The problem with this concealer is that it matches my foundation too much, so I don't like to use it, but it's all that I can use right now. I'm going over it with some of my Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade medium because that NYX concealer matches my foundation too much, so this is what I'm doing. It should probably balance out nicely because the two shades, they're kind of close together. I'm going to take my beauty sponge again and blend this all out. And what I did before blending it was spray it with some of my Mario Badescu mineral water, or whatever you call it, so that it doesn't go nowhere. Because I use that spray as a setting spray also. Okay, now for contour, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. I like to contour my cheekbones because I love my cheekbones and I think I have the best cheekbones. So okay, to blend this out, I'm going to start by using my Morphe M460 brush and just okay, now for setting powder, I'm going to use my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to use a damp Real Techniques beauty sponge to dip into this. Baking up, I'm going to go ahead and put some eyeshadow on my downstairs lids so we can get this look on the road. Just going to take that hot pink eyeshadow from this 35B palette and just put that on my bottom lid. Take a little bit of that purple and blend that out using that purple. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some eyeliner and lashes on off camera, and this bake will be gone, and we'll move on to the highlight and lips. Alright, so my lashes are on, and as far as highlight and lip gloss goes, I'm going to take some of that liquid highlight that we use on my face, and I'm going to use some of this as my base for my powder highlight so that it sticks better and it shines better. Just going to okay, so my camera went off while I was doing my liquid highlight, but I finished that all over where you see it shiny. I'm just going to go over it with my powder highlight, and this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in their bronzer shade. I'm just gonna go over everywhere that I applied the liquid highlight. And as far as lips go, I can't live without my Beauty Shop lip gloss. I have, not Beauty Shop, what's it called? What's it called? Those places where you can buy the hair blow dryers, the beauty supply store. Beauty supply store lip glosses. I love them. I have so many of them. This one's clear, this one's pink, and this one's red, but they all go on clear. My favorites, I die for them. They're called NK Makeup. Best lip glosses. If you're ghetto fab, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm just gonna finish this look with a little bit of lip gloss. I like pack on my lip gloss. I like my lips to look drippin'.